welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today's video is a review video. Today I'm going to review a newly launched product from Scuba. The product is a translucent powder and the name for the translucent powder is All Set to Go Translucent Powder. This is the outer packing of that. So in this video, we'll be talking about this translucent powder and my take on that. So let's just quickly start. So this, as I said, this is the outer cover of translucent powder. The price for this one is 599 rupees for 7 gram of the product. Now, this is cruelty-free product, which is a good thing. So once you open it, this is the inside. It's really beautiful. So it's a square tub kind of a packing. And from here, you have to open it like this. So before opening and going to the translucent powder, let me first clear the thing that what is a translucent powder? There are many powders in the market. So of course, banana powder, then loose powder, then compressed powders and all. So don't confuse translucent powder with banana powder or any other powder. Translucent powder will not give you a heavy coverage on your face. Translucent powder is used to even or smoothen your uneven texture on your skin. So it has to use after you are done with your base. Take a nice powder brush like this, or if you are comfortable with beauty blender, you can use beauty blender, but personally I don't really prefer, because with beauty blender I think you will overdo it, but with powder brush you will use the exact amount, I guess. So just use the exact or whatever needed on your face. Don't overdo, because that's not a good idea with translucent powder. Now this is the shape, square, and it's transparent from bottom, so you can see the product. Once you open it, it has one mirror. I'm covering it so it don't distract you. Then it has one sponge here. This is white in color, quite a decent kind of a sponge. Then let me show you the powder. It's very fine and it's white in color. It's single color, so this will go with every skin tone. This is the color, and once you blend it, let me show you. So once you blend it, just see it blends so well because it's so fine. So the texture is just amazing. Perfect for, I would say, for oily skin. Mine is a combination skin and this works great on that. So yes, good product. And now I'll be showing you on my face. On half face, I'll be applying the translucent powder on, and on other, I won't be applying it. So you can see the difference. So now you can see I've applied a little BB cream on my face, all over my face with the help of the brush. So now I'll be applying the translucent powder on one side, and on other I won't be applying it. So let's just see what is the look afterwards I apply the translucent powder. So I've taken some on my brush. As I said, I'm more comfortable in using the brush, not the beauty blender. And just see, I'm just using a little bit, not too much. And this is the look. Now you can compare this cheek with this one. This one is more smoother, and this has a little sheen to it because I have not really applied anything like any powder on this side, translucent powder or banana powder or any powder on this side. So a little sheen this side, but this side it's very smooth and very nice look. If you touch it, it's very soft and nice. So this is the difference of this magical translucent powder. I like it, and you can see the difference, of course. So yes, if you ask me my take, I like the product. Now let me tell you some good things about this product. So the first one is the texture. The texture is really very fine, so it blends so well on your face. It does not make your base or foundation cakey, your face cakey. It will just blend so nicely that it will give you a natural look. That is very nice, very good effect. Like the blending is so nice with this product. Then comes the coverage. So translucent powder is not meant to give you coverage, but they are meant to give smoothen your uneven texture, which this product does. So for that also big thumbs up. Then the price is very affordable. 599 rupees is the price. So I think powder like this, and if you talk about the brand, of course, a brand like Sugar, 599 is not too much. So I'm happy with the pricing as well. If we talk about the packing, it's really smart packing, very simple packing though, transparent and the black sugar logo here. So the packing is very simple, but it's very smart. So I'm happy with the packing as well. My skin is combination and it works great on my skin. And I think this will work perfectly on oily skin and with dry skin as well. But I'm not really sure about the dry one. But for oily and for combination, I think this will work great. So yeah, that's all about Sugar. I think I've covered everything, but you still have some questions, you can comment and I'll be happy to answer it. So that's all for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.